Email marketing is dead. I heard this statement multiple times in my 15-year career in marketing, but the truth is this. Since 3.6 billion people check their email every single day, and it is a clear sign that email marketing is still largely used, if no one opens your email or your email open rate is low, it is because of one or more of these three aspects. Number one, you don't know how to write compelling email subjects. It means a lack of copywriting skill. Number two, you don't communicate exciting messages to your audience. Number three, you don't deliver the promises your subscribers expected to receive once they gave you their data. In this video, I want to share with you some tips and strategies to increase your email open rate, persuade your subscribers to read the email body copy, and take action. For instance, buy your product or service, read an article, watch a video, subscribe to a webinar, and so on. So, my name is Max Cecco, and I teach aspiring entrepreneurs and professionals how to turn their knowledge and or someone else's expertise even into a 7-figure business. If you like my content, subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. First of all, to let you understand how to write compelling emails, you need to know the 3 most important sections of each email. Section number 1, the subject. It is the headline, the most important section of your email. Indeed, if no one clicks on your email because your headline is weak or not persuasive enough, you have lost your opportunity to sell something. No one will read your body copy, no one will click on the link inside the email. Section number 2, the body copy. It is the content, the words your subscribers read once they click on the subject. Your body copy is critical because its goal is to continue the conversation expressed in the subject in order to persuade the reader to do a specific action. Indeed, every email you send has or should have a defined purpose. Otherwise, you're losing time, money, and even subscribers. More on that in the next few minutes. Section number 3. Call to action or CTA. Your email must always include a call to action. You have to tell your readers what you want them to do. This is imperative. It can be click on a link to watch a video. It can be read an article in your blog. It can be check your product or service. People need to be guided by you. Period. Most aspiring entrepreneurs who want to make money with email marketing, they are looking for the perfect email marketing course. And honestly, I was one of them, especially 15 years ago, when I didn't understand almost anything about marketing, sales, and persuasion. The truth is that email marketing is 100% copywriting. You need to master copywriting to write compelling email subjects, persuasive body copy, and amazing calls to action in order to push your reader to do a specific action gently. So, if your email marketing isn't effective, the number one reason is related to a lack of your copywriting ability. Period. Now, let me share with you the most effective email subjects you should use to increase your email open rate. Use curiosity. Persuade people to know more about the topic you want to share with them by eliciting curiosity. Email subjects like these work like magic. You have to know this. This stupid trick helps you increase your sales. The number one thing that contributes to increasing your email open rate. Don't underestimate this business aspect. The top method to generate leads in 2023. And so on. Whenever you think about writing compelling email subjects, focus your attention on curiosity. Obviously, the body copy must continue the conversation you started in the email subject without providing all the information. Indeed, to discover everything and connect the dots, readers have to click on a specific link in the body copy. What I've just described represents the foundation of a well-structured email. At the same time, everything must be planned with a specific goal. With that being said, I want to share with you 2 biggest mistakes aspiring entrepreneurs make in sending emails. Mistake number 1, weak messages. Now, Listen to me very carefully. If the first step to creating a mailing list is to persuade visitors to become your subscribers, the second and most important aspect you should pay close attention to is preventing your subscribers from canceling their subscription and maintaining their interest at a high level. So, you have to communicate with your subscribers only when you have something interesting to share with them, because they want to receive value from you. If you have nothing to say, don't send emails. It's simple, but most people don't follow this advice. They communicate stupid things to their subscribers, and this dumb behavior leads to a high unsubscribe rate and spam reports. And this is not good for your email reputation. Mistake number 2. Don't deliver promises. This huge mistake pushes your subscribers to unsubscribe and complain with you. In your email marketing software, you have to set up different lists for clients and potential clients to deliver the right promises and communicate the proper messages with them. For instance, let's suppose you want to sell 2 online courses to solve 2 distinctive problems. In this case, you have different audiences with different aspirations, desires, and challenges to overcome. You can't think of having the same list where you put both subscribers. Indeed, the promises and the communication will be totally different. Long story short, email marketing is not dead. As in every business, an effective email marketing campaign needs strategy and copywriting skills. So, your ability to sell anything by using written words. If you want to learn copywriting from scratch with a step-by-step method, you can subscribe right now to the wait list of my Freedom Business Blueprint, a special program I'm going to release very soon, in which I teach you how to create even a 7-figure business selling your expertise or someone else's knowledge. I put the link to the subscription page in the description below. In addition, I highly recommend you to watch this video, Copywriting 101, everything you need to know to start writing great copy. So, watch it now!